Hello guys, Noah here. Today we'll be unboxing the Acer Predator laptop. I want to put the specs in the description below if I forget any of the specs. So it has an RTX 4070 laptop. It has 16 gigs of RAM, Intel i7 Ultra now, not like a 14th gen, but it's now the Ultra variant, which is kind of weird. So let's begin. So I kind of don't like that they're calling it that. It's a little stupid, in my opinion. But oh well. What can you do, right? It's Intel. I love their naming scheme. But I'm sure an unboxing. I'm not gonna do using it and stuff. Just need to figure out how to slice this open here. There we go. Okay. Make sure there's nothing. Okay. Take all the papers out. Something about Acer. Acer Prey, that is Acer. So in here should be the laptop charger. There we go. Yep, and here you get your charger. So I'm gonna send a link to where you can buy this. It's actually online right now. If you go to Walmart.com, it's like $12.50. Pretty good. This is a huge charger. Okay. So that goes into the laptop, and this goes into the wall. But there's also the, whatever you call it, this part. Dang. It's crazy. Same thing that PC uses, a monitor uses. Kind of crazy. So I'm just going to turn it on, not like set it up or anything. Kind of boring to do that, honestly. But take this out. It's actually like pretty light. It's a little cloth. Okay, we're taking out the thing here. Okay, pretty. I want to say it's heavy, but like not bad. Okay. So what can I show you guys? The ports, important. So we're gonna focus on that. Maybe I need to change the settings real quick. Sorry about that. Okay. You guys can see it. So we got HDMI. Then we have USB 3. We want to focus. Okay. Anyway, HDMI, USB 3, USB-C, micro SD, really appreciated. And then we have fans for ventilation. And then, let's see. Front side, we have nothing, of course. Left side, we have the power adapter, USB 3 again, Type-C again, and I think Thunderbolt 4. And then we have headphone jack, and I think also microphone combo. And then we have power LEDs for charging, and I guess brightness or something. So that's nice. Also Kensington lock right there. In the back we have nothing besides more ventilation. Very important in a gaming laptop. You want, ventilation. I really wanted a small laptop. So now let's see. Okay, we got this little cloth thing. Now it is a 14-inch or 14.5, so you're not gonna have number pad there. So let me zoom in on that for you guys. So we have the keyboard, standard keyboard. Arrow keys are a little big. I mean, I would prefer if it was the really small one, but I'm gonna power on and see if it turns on. If not, we're just gonna end the video. So yeah, I don't know if it'll turn on, but you might have to plug it in. So yeah, that's fine. Pretty much it. I'll probably just put all the specs in the description where you can buy it, all that good stuff. But yeah, Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.